Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these pyrite and triangle earrings. So for this project, you're just going to need 2 pairs of pliers. So we're going to start by attaching the pyrite to the bottom triangle. So we're going to do this by using a jump ring. So we're just going to put a pair of pliers on one side of the open jump ring and one on the other side, and we're going to twist that open. Then we're going to put on pyrite, and then we're going to attach the teardrop. And then we're going to put the pliers back on either side, and we're going to twist it back into place. And we're going to go up from there. We're going to get another jump ring, put the pliers on either side of where it's split, and we're going to twist it open. We're going to put one triangle piece on there, and then the next triangle piece, and then we're going to close that. And you can stop here if you just want 2, or if you want 3, or you can add 4, whatever your preference is. So again, we're just going to find where the slit is in the jump ring, and then we're going to twist it open. We're going to add the triangle and the last triangle, and then we're going to twist it back into place. And then for the top, we're going to use 2 jump rings. We are going to open this one, and we're going to attach this to the triangle, and then we're going to attach the other jump ring to there. And we're going to do that other jump ring so that the ear wire hangs correctly. I'm going to twist that back into place, and then at the top we're going to take the ear wire and we're going to twist it open. We're going to attach the jump ring, close it back, and now you have a super simple, beautiful pair of earrings. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com, and we have lots of different drops for the bottom. You don't have to use pyrite, you don't have to use teardrops. We have many other shapes. Thanks so much.